Hello YouTube, welcome to the first video in our Java programming tutorial series. And in this video we're going to talk about how to print or output into the console in Java. And you're also going to write your first line of code, your first program called Hello World. It's basically just printing the phrase Hello World into the console. So before I get started with the code, I want to talk about how to download Java or the Java development kit so you can actually start programming. So you can just search up JDK download in your browser and click on the first link that pops up, and you can see different versions right here. But I would recommend you downloading the 11.0.6 because it has long-term support. You can just click on the download, and here are all the different systems that you can download it for. So you have to accept license agreement first, and then you can just click on whichever one you have. Okay, so next I want to talk about the editors or the IDEs that I use. So the first one that I'm going to use in this series is going to be Eclipse, and I can just download it at eclipse.org. So IDEs are basically just advanced text editors for typing code. Like they have autocomplete, keyword highlighting, and all that good stuff. So the other one is IntelliJ, and it's also pretty popular and pretty good. You can just search it up and download it. Okay. And if you don't want to use any of these IDEs, you can either use normal Notepad on Windows or TextEdit on Mac, or you can download Notepad++. I think it's only for Windows, but it also has text highlighting, but it doesn't have autocomplete. So you can just get this. I think it's only for Windows, but yeah. Okay, so now let's get started. Okay, so this is Eclipse, and I have a project set up. If you don't have a project, just right click, new Java project, and name it, give it a name, okay. And here's the source folder, and you need to right click, new, and create a package. So right here I have a package called Java Tux. So packages are basically just a way to organize your different files, okay? And in here I already have a class created. It's a .java file, and you can see Eclipse already has this class typed out for us. So we can talk about the structure of a Java program first. So in a Java program, first you have a public class, or actually just a class, and you can name it whatever you want. But the name after a class has to be corresponding with the file name helloworld.java. Alright? And inside your class, you have to have a main method like this, and inside the main method, the code that's inside the main method runs as soon as you execute the program. Okay? And you don't have to understand all of this code right now. It's just the basic structure, and you'll understand every single word when you finish this series. Okay? And now you can finally type your first line of code. System, just type out system.out.println, and then parentheses, and at the end you need to have semicolon. So in Java you have to have a semicolon after every statement, okay? And in the parentheses, type out quotes, and then hello world. Alright, let's save and run it. You can see it outputs hello world into the console. Okay, And so let's go back and look at this line of code again. So system is a package, just like this right here. And out is a class inside the package, like our Hello World class inside the package Java Tuts. Okay, and print line is a method, and we'll go into much more detail about classes, methods, and packages in later videos. That's just a quick explanation of what it is. And hello world. So when you see quotes, that pretty much means what inside the quote is a string. Okay, and strings consists of letters, symbols, and numbers. Okay, so strings are basically just a string of letters, symbols, and numbers. And you probably see that I did this double slash thing right here. So double slash is a comment in Java, and comments are not executed. They're ignored by the compiler. So everything after this double slash will be ignored. So you can just type out things, you can just type things that, for example, if you want to remind yourself of what this chunk of code is used for, you can use comments to help you with that. Alright, so I hope you enjoyed this video, and remember to like and subscribe, and see you next time.